Okay, number 8, the domain for a log function. Now, this is a semester review, so I would hope that you at least know the basic shape of a log graph, okay? If you don't know, I guess this is a good time to review a little bit. So a very basic log graph is this. I'm talking about just a parent function, y equals to log base 10 of x, okay? So a log graph should look like this. With the with the x-intercept of 1, 0, and there is asymptote on the y-axis. And the reason why there's an asymptote on the y-axis is because we cannot put 0 into the x value. There should not be any negative number to the x value. And the reason why we cannot have those numbers is because in this case it's log base 10. We say, well, 10 to any power, whether it's positive power, negative power, or fraction power, they must be positive still. There's no way you can come with a power that makes the number 0. There's no way that 10 could raise to a power that makes the number negative. Just impossible. And therefore, we have a vertical asymptote at x equal to 0, or the y-axis, and then we have the or it cannot be negative as well. So that's what we mean. That the stuff inside the log function, okay, inside the log function right here, it has to be greater than 0. It has to be greater than 0. So the graph would really reinforce your idea. So now we look at this question, we are like, oh, so what's the deal here? What's going on here? Well, we're saying 2x plus 5 must be greater than 0. Not even equal to 0. It has to be greater than 0. Okay, based on our understanding of the parent function log x right there on the right hand side. I can bring it closer so they can see it better side by side. Okay, so based on our understanding right here, we say, all right, anything inside the log function must be greater than 0. Not equal to 0, but greater than 0. Not less than 0, but greater than 0. And then now we can go ahead and solve for the inequality. Subtract 5 on both sides, and then divide 2 on both sides. Then you have your domain. X must be greater than -5 over 2. So the interval notation will be -5 over 2, comma, infinity. That's the domain.